This is going to be 2015 Panini Certified Football 2-box break 61, 82, and 83. Everybody's names and teams are on the board. Good luck. Let's see what we got here. All right. Arturo V rolled in. What's up, man? All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. All right, first up here is a Geno Smith, Stafford, Richard Sherman, 407 of 499 right there for the Hawks. That is Daniel M. Coming out to you, Daniel M. Oh boy, what is this? 2 of 25 right here. Amari Cooper, TJ Yeldon. Check that out. Raiders and Jags, Dan F. and Steve S. That's going to have to go to random, guys. New generation duels. Awesome card, though. So I don't have to go to rando. All right, here it is. Next one here. Stewart, Cruz, nice gold team right there. Marshawn Lynch, very nice dummy card, and then a B Marshall Stars for the Jets. All right, cool, Matt. We'll do that next, buddy. We will do that next. Here we go. Davis Toll right here for the Saints. 479 of 499. Let's see. That's going to go out to Vinny L right there. Vinny L. And then we got a Mike Evans skills card right here for the Bucks. Uh-oh. Is a Tough Guy Tuesday in here? Uh-oh. First up. All right, 906 of 999. Cincinnati Bengals. That is Joby W coming out to you. Joby W. And then we have a Megatron Stars card for Lions. That is James R. Next up, here we go. Money Manziel right here. Heartline. Rookie card right here. Parker. Rookie team gold. Very nice. Here is a Matt Jones. 620 of 799. Washington Redskins. That's Richard D. Coming out to you. Richard D. Hey, Jet. You got to keep it PG in here, buddy. Seriously, man. I would appreciate it, sir. Uh-oh, Mark D rolled in. What's up, man? Next up, here we go. Aaron Rodgers, B Marshall, RG3. Next one here is Aaron Rodgers, 416 of 499, Green Bay. That is Steve S. Coming out to you, Steve S. Next one here, Eric Dickerson for the Legends card for the Rams. Steve S. It's coming out to you, Steve S. Yeah, seriously, man. There's some guys that watch kids with watch breaks with kids in here, man. So appreciate it, sir. Mallet, McFadden. Here we go. Lawrence Taylor, 37 of 99 for the Giants. That is Jess M coming out to you, Jess M. And then we've got a Stars Odell. Next up, here we go. Hearns, Eli Romo. Here's a 200 of 999 right here. Bud Dupree for the Steelers. That is Joby W coming out to you, Joby W. Vince Mailey right here, autograph. Oh yeah, look at this, 150 of 799. Cleveland Browns, that is Jess M. Coming out to you, Jess M, 2-color patch auto. Next up, here we go. Watkins right there. Antonio Brown, 29 of 199. Pittsburgh Steelers, Joby W. Joby W. Nice. Ooh, 15 of 25. Allen Hearns auto for the Jags. Look at this. Jacksonville, that is Steve S. Coming out to you. Nice one there for Steve. I think that'll be next, Arturo. I think we'll crack that next, buddy. All right, here we go. 896 of 999. Dion primetime for the boys. Dallas, that is Joby W. Kaepernick right here, skills card Niners. That was Cody C. 6 and red line. All right. Next up, Ellington right there. Dwayne Bowe. Carson Palmer. Stars right here. 122 of 199. J.J. Watt for the Texans. That's Daniel M. Uh-oh. Cooper alert. Uh-oh. Absolute nastiness. 28 of 75 right there. Amari Cooper for the Raiders. Dan F. That is coming out to you. Dan F. Very nice on that one. Nice hit there for Dan. Go. Here is Juan Alexander, 405 of 999 rookie card for the Bucks. Tampa. That is Steve S coming out to you. Urlacher right there for the Bears. All right, guys, few left here in certified 2-boxer. Kenny Stills right there. Richardson, here we go. Sam Bradford, 408 of 499 Eagles. That is Joe D. Coming out to you, Joe D. Duke Johnson and Vince Mailey right here, 396 of 799 Cleveland Browns. That is Jess M. Coming out to you, Jess M. Next up, here we go. Garcon, Fitzgerald, Bryant. Favre is numbered right here. Immortals, 133 of 999. Green Bay is Steve S. Aaron Rodgers stars also going to Steve. Yo, Manning right there. Gore, Trey Mason. Marcus Allen right here, 40 of 50 right here for the Chiefs. Kansas City, that's going to go out to Daniel M. Daniel M. Mike Evans, Tampa. Next up, here we go, T.Y. Hilton. Gold team right here, Tom Brady for the Patriots. New England. That's going to go out to Joby W. And Stars card was DeMarco Murray. Alright, here we go. Jamal Charles, Roethlisberger. Here's the Stars right here. Nick Foles, 8/50 for the Rams. That's Steve S. coming to you, Steve S. Here we go. Charles Gaines, 7/23/999 for the Browns. Let's see, that is Jess M. Skills card, Kaepernick for the Niners. That is Cody C. Jay Cutler right there for the Bears. There's Thomas Bridgewater. Here we go. Jeremy Maclin, 2/23/499. Right there for the Chiefs. Kansas City, that is Daniel M. Wow, another duel. Wow. 2 in the break. 372/799. Coates and Ty Montgomery, Steelers and Packers. Joe BW and Steve S. Random. 2 randoms coming up. Tannehill. Next one here is Nick O'Leary, 106/499 rookie card Bills. That is Joe BW. Stars right there, Le'Veon Bell. Alright guys, last one here in Certified 2-boxer. It has been a good one. PC Manuel Watt. There, Melvin Gordon. There we go. John Hanna. Ooh, man. John Hanna autograph right there. Wow, 59/500 Super Bowl for the Patriots. That's the quad spot right there. Joe BW. Very nice. John Hanna. That one's coming out to you. All right, a couple randos to do really quick. Couple random Jacksons. We do got that. I got some more of this we can do too and pick your team. Alright, let's do this one first, guys. Let's crack this one first here. Alright, DNF is the owner of the Raiders. Jaguars is Steve S. Alright. Alright, good luck, guys. Number 1 after 7. I'm going to screen share it for you here in 1 second. Here we go. Good luck. Alright, there's 1. Here comes number 2, 3. Razzle Dazzle 4, 5, 6, and 7. Steve S. is the winner. Alright, Steve, that one's coming out to you, sir. Next one here is Coates and Montgomery. This is the Steelers and Packers. Joe BW and Steve S. All right. Here we go. Good luck. Number 1 after 7. Here it is. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, Joby W is the winner. All right, that'll conclude 2-box break of certified football 61, 82, 83. Let's save that for YouTube.